welcome back to Cooking in a Tesla. Today we are here in Big Sur, California, and we'll be making one-pot pasta. For ingredients, we have pasta, of course. We have roasted garlic pasta sauce, white mushrooms, zucchini, and some spinach. Okay, we'll put everything out of the way for now, and we'll start with some zucchini. I think one should be enough for one person. I think I'm gonna need a bigger pot. It's filling up really quickly. We are right along the highway. It's the Highway 1, so it can be a little bit lousy. I hope you can hear me well. I'll find out later in post. Okay, and now I'm just gonna fill this thing up with water. I'm not gonna put a lot of water because I'm not gonna empty any out since this is a one-pot meal. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go by feeling. I don't know how much I really need. I'll just go above, maybe a little bit above where the pasta is. I'm not sure, I'll find out. Probably a little bit more. So it looks like the water is just enough to cover the pasta. I think this should be okay. And here, I'll just boil the whole thing. Okay, I got a lighter. My stove has seen better days. That took a while. I'm just making sure everything is soaked with water. I'm pretty sure I used too much water. It's okay, I'll just let it boil for a little bit longer. Hopefully most of the water will evaporate. So it's been a while, and I still have way too much water. I think I may have failed this time. Trying to see if I should pour some of the water out. I'm just going to leave the water as is. It's a little bit too late now. The water is probably more nutritious than whatever is in here after the boiling. So I'm gonna pour some pasta sauce in. I'll use this as the soup base. That will work. Now I'll also add some spinach. So this has been sitting for 10 minutes. It's actually turning out okay. Time for a bite. I can't really tell if this is good or not. I'm just hungry. Anything I eat right now is definitely good. So if you're looking to make something fast when you are out camping, car camping, make sure you use way less water, and you can always add more later. So I'll just finish this up. I was thinking staying here for the night, but as you can see and hear, there's quite a bit of traffic coming through, so I'll probably head out. Yep, that's it for this cooking video. As always, go out and stay adventurous. See you guys next time. Bye. Oh, hi. This is a reminder that there is only 3 days left to get your camper kit for more than $500 US off. This is a huge discount, and this will never happen again. You know why? Because I don't have a place to stock inventory, nor the finance to do so. So moving forward, all the camper kits will be built to order. Therefore, the price will be way higher because of logistic reasons, and a bunch of other complications. So this is your last chance. Until May 31st, you can get the Frobel camper kit for more than $500 off. Until next time, stay adventurous.